Hi Jason.
Hallo, guten Tag. Welcome by Hannover Messe.
Thank you. Ja, wir sind hier auf der Hannover Messe am Softing-Stand.
Ja.
Und Jason wird uns jetzt ein bisschen was erzählen zum Thema SDEX. What is it? Please, can you tell us something about SDEX?
It's our latest suite for all the shop floor data connectivity. So everything which you need to connect in terms of PLCs. So you have the native protocol connectivity for instance, Siemens, Rockwell, Schneider, and as well as other PLCs where you might just have OPC UA directly on board. Okay, so this software is a software that runs either as a Docker, runs also in Windows, can run on an edge gateway, or any IPC, so an industrial PC, or on the server as you need. So this software basically takes the data. You can set with all of the OPC UA namespaces, and define your own companion specs. Bring this with to OPC UA or MQTT as you feel necessary to bring that to your cloud, to your other MES and other parts of your solution as needed for visualization.
You told us it's a new product. You launched it in SPS last year?
We launched that at the end of last year. It's a product which has evolved with us since roughly 2018. We brought this into the market, but over the years we've been expanding the functionality, bringing more to life of this portfolio.
Is there a great customer you like to talk about?
I cannot talk about customers, unfortunately. We have too many NDAs, but yeah, we have a lot of customers using this already in the field for many, many years. And some are as simple as just pulling the data from one PLC type or multiple PLCs of the same type, bringing that data to very often the cloud systems, cloud platforms.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Jason, thank you very much. I wish you a very good fair here in Hannover.
Thank you very much. Yeah, will be a fantastic show, I'm sure. Come over and visit us anytime you like.
Thank you.
Thank you.